In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Recaptcha to Gravity Forms in just 5 minutes. Adding Recaptcha to your forms is a straightforward yet essential step in enhancing the security of your WordPress site, ensuring that spam and bot submissions are kept at bay. Let's dive into the process. First, you'll want to head over to your WordPress dashboard. This dashboard is your main hub for managing your website's backend, where you can customize settings, manage plugins, and handle your forms. Once you're in the dashboard, take a glance at the left-hand panel where you'll see several options listed. This navigation menu is your gateway to all the customizable elements on your site. Next, select the option labeled Add-ons. This section is where you can find and manage various plugins and extensions that enhance the functionality of your WordPress site. In the search bar within this add-ons section, type in Recaptcha and search for the corresponding add-on. Once you find it, go ahead and click Activate. This action will enable the Recaptcha functionality, preparing it for further configuration. Now that you have successfully activated the Recaptcha add-on, you will need to navigate to the settings where you can link it up with Gravity Forms. To do this, go back to the main menu on the left side of your dashboard and click on Forms. From there, hover over the Settings option and then select Recaptcha. This section is specifically designated for managing Recaptcha settings so that you can fine-tune how it operates within your forms. Once you're in the Recaptcha settings, you'll see fields for your site key and secret key. These keys are crucial as they authenticate your usage of the Recaptcha API with Google's servers. You might be wondering where to find these keys. Well, you can obtain them by registering your site with Google Recaptcha, an additional but necessary step to adhere to privacy and security policies. Once you have your keys, enter them carefully in the respective fields. After entering the keys, it's time to decide on the type of Recaptcha you want to implement. You have a few options here. Recaptcha v2 checkbox, which prompts users to physically check a box to prove they're not a robot. Invisible Recaptcha, which operates in the background without needing user interaction, and Recaptcha v3, which provides a frictionless user experience with a score to determine whether the interaction is legitimate. Choose the option that best fits your needs and user experience goals. Now, the final step to solidify everything you've set up is to click Save Settings. This ensures that all your configurations and updates are securely stored and your Recaptcha is active across your forms. That's it. You've just added a robust layer of security to your Gravity Forms with Recaptcha, protecting your site from spam and automated abuse. Thank you for following along and happy securing.